For me, I didn't choose this business. It chose me. The mochi chose me. It was meant for me. It was meant for Clyde. I am beyond grateful, and I have no regrets of choosing to run Two Ladies Kitchen. And we want to do it the same way that Nora did it. We make the mochi the same way that she did. All the teachings that she gave us, we still continue it to this day. And we are proud of it, and we will never stop.
So she just made sure that we made the mochi good. She would be on top of us, feel proud of the mochi, and make it our own. I do more of the business side, but I make sure I do the mochi side and learn everything correctly and how it's supposed to be done.
Me and Nora Uchida, we grew a relationship. You know, she became like my second mom. I grew up in here in a way. We think our mochi is popular because it is handcrafted. We don't have large machines processing our items. Everything we do is by hand. I think a lot of people appreciate that. We have a very big family-oriented vibe in here. We do work in a very small area. We're a very small mom and pop shop.
We have currently 20 employees. KTA has helped us on certain occasions. We send to them 2-3 times a day because they sell out really quickly.
Strawberry mochi is our best seller. I would say other top ones are the strawberry shortcake mochi, the brownie mochi, the Oreo mochi. 14 years of mochi making.